Doing crochet projects are easier than it looks. And today we'll be using Craft Easy's crochet kit and yarns to make a cute hair bandana. For this project, let's use a 5.5 mm hook size that works perfectly for our yarns. First step is to make a magic circle. Hold out your middle and pointing fingers, place the end of the yarn at the back, then wrap the yarn 2 times, with the second one overlapping to make an X mark. Take your hook, go underneath the first line, hook the next line, then twist. Gently remove your middle and pointing finger out to create a loop. From here, we'll be making 3 chains while still keeping the shape of our loop. We'll be making 2 double crochets from here. Yarn over into the magic circle, then pull. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull out the last 2 loops. Our first set of 3 chains at the start is already counted as the first double crochet. So in total, we have 3 double crochets or DC stitches. We will now chain 3. This will create a space for our next set. This time, let's find the tail end of our magic circle and pull till it tightens. This technique is called half granny square, and now it looks like a tiny triangle. So from here, let's add 3 chains. This will be the first double crochet for this new row. Let's flip the triangle so we can work on the other side. We'll create 2 double crochets inside the first stitch so we can make a total of 3 double crochets. Chain 1 at the end. On this center hole at the top of our triangle, we will be crocheting the following. So every time we encounter this center hole, we'll be making 2 sets of double crochets with 3 chains in between, like this. Here's our final set for this row. We'll add 3 double crochets in the space before the last stitch. Let's continue adding rows and layers on this tiny triangle. Ta-da! Now it's time for us to learn how to use another color. To connect this new thread, insert the hook through the last stitch at the end of our triangle and loop the yarn through while leaving the long and short tail underneath. Chain 3, then flip your work to start a new row. We are almost at the end of the row. The final step is to make the straps that we'll use to tie this bandana around our head. From the very last stitch, simply start creating a series of chains. To best know how long you will need, you can try wrapping it around your head too to see if it fits well. Just make sure to add an allowance for tying a knot. To end, just cut the thread out while the hook is still inside the stitch, then pull the hook to lock it up. Let's repeat the same process to the other side. But first, connect the yarn through the last stitch as shown here. And there you have it, your very own crocheted bandana. For more DIY ideas, you can visit Craft Easy's website and follow their social media accounts right down below.